Hello YouTube. Had another little train show haul here today, and I thought I'd show you guys a whole bunch of logging HOn3 narrow gauge stuff. So anyways, I think I'll start off with these log cars. These are all scratch built, each one, and for some reason they have lead trucks. Focus. You focus. There we go. The trucks, they're made of lead. Somebody hand installed all the rivets and such, and anyways, this is 26 of those things in here. And it also came with a 6 cabooses, and they're all of them are West Side Lumber Company, and I believe this one here is Sumter Valley, but correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not quite too keen on this. And I also found the beginnings of a West Side coffin car and 2 more West Side tank cars. And then this here is some of you may recognize this as the West Side snowplow. It's the one we lost in Yosemite in that fire recently. And then a bunch of old Blackstone cars. I'm pretty sure they're Blackstone anyways. I got about 5 of them. 2 of them are stock cars, and then one of them's a gondola. Someone actually shaved off part of the top there, so it looks more aged. And even got some tooth gauge stuff. It's just N scale, but this works with the mini train stuff, which I have a couple of mini trains items, so that's great. And then over here, I'm having a hard time trying to figure out what these are based off of, if they are based off of anything at all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 10 of these things. 3 of them are complete, and they're all scratch built. And anyways, most of them are about this condition, and not really much I can do with those, but maybe someday I'll build them. I don't know. Anyone want them? And this here boggles me. Is it MDC Roundhouse? Is it Blackstone? I don't know. I can tell it's a casted plastic kit. It was a die-cast frame, but I've never seen one of these before. It's weird. That's an obscure car, so if someone could tell me what that is, please do so. And I even found a couple of HO gauge items too. I found this flat car that is completely scratch built, and it comes with this little crane, and as well as this gondola here with old MDC Roundhouse trucks. And then I got a couple of motor cars as well too that were in HO gauge. This one here is made of wood. And is this? No. Yeah, that's no, these are both made of wood. My mistake. And I believe this is a Virginia and Truckee motor car, and this is California Western, or they could be both V&T. I'm not quite too sure, but they use Chemtron chassis, and this is a Santa Maria Valley Railway motor car. The real one's down at Campo, but that's a KMT chassis, I believe. And then this one here is one that they never quite finished. I don't actually have a chassis for it, but it's made of wood. So someday I'll put that together. I could probably rig up something. And then these 2 resin kits here. These, I believe, are Disneyland cabooses, but yet again, not sure. And then a couple of cranes, and I'm about to run out of memory here. And a whole bunch of couplers and trucks, and there's a MDC Shea parts here. And these here are actually engines I'm either thinking about converting to narrow gauge or already are my narrow gauge engines. This is my only good narrow gauge engine here. And that's an MDC 280, that's a mess. So someday maybe. And then I have all these tender castings. I have no idea who made them. I'm pretty sure this one here is Blackstone. It even still says 41. But these, I don't know. So, anywho, and there's a whole baggie of parts over here. This is Pops Productions 124. Till next time.